Everyone's grinding harder than ever, pouring time, money, and soul into marketing. But what happens? The noise just keeps growing. Audiences stop caring, ads get skipped, engagement tanks. You're banging your head trying to decode what actually works, while feeling like you're running in circles, stuck in a never ending content treadmill. It's infuriating, right? Watching others crush it with effortless viral hits while you drown in endless drafts and reworks. The frustration builds because you're not just chasing views. You want impact, real connection, and results that move the needle in your business and your brand. But the system keeps pumping out the same empty formulas that don't resonate, don't build loyalty, don't create trust. Now here's the brutal truth no one's telling you. The old ways of blasting generic content everywhere are dead. Forget blasting out random posts, videos, or ads hoping something sticks. Top brands aren't wasting time guessing. They've uncovered a content formula so damn simple, yet so fiercely ignored, that it's changed the rules of the game. And it's not about more clicks or empty vanity stats. It's about obsession with one core thing: meaningful narrative loops that make your audience lean in, come back, and bring others with them. It's not just marketing. It's creating a rhythm where your message becomes part of their day, not some fleeting distraction. You want the insider move? Stop trying to be everything for everyone. That's the fastest way to no one's heart. Instead, build your content like a magnetized journey that hooks the right people and pulls them deep. Step 1. Identify one core emotion or problem your audience feels down to their bones. Don't just guess. Use data, talk to customers, listen hard. Step 2. Create micro stories or content chunks that speak directly to that pain or desire, again and again, but from different angles, voices, formats. Make each piece feel like a conversation, not a broadcast. Step 3. Design sequenced releases, posts, videos, emails that connect like puzzle pieces, feeding into a bigger story and promise. This creates a sense of anticipation, a craving for what's next. You're scripting addiction, but to value, not junk. Here's where most people trip up. They treat content like a campaign instead of a living system that evolves with feedback and shifts in audience mood. Real brands obsess over measurement beyond clicks. Are people sharing because it helped them? Are they tagging friends because it spoke exactly to their struggle? Are they emailing you because they need solutions? Every interaction is a clue to tweak your loop, sharpen your message, deepen your impact. This is no game for amateurs. It demands ruthless focus on your niche pain, relentless iteration, and total refusal to settle for good enough. The difference between the brands stuck creating noise and the ones winning loyalty and market share is this: obsession with strategic consistency that feels personal and urgent to their tribe. Not spreading thin and wild, but laser aimed, every piece reinforcing the same core truth that your brand exists to solve their specific problem better than anyone else. You're not just creating content, you're engineering influence, trust, and unshakable relationships. This is how brands turn followers into believers, browsers into buyers, and customers into evangelists. So stop wasting your edge on random acts of content. Start thinking like a strategist who builds addictive narrative loops, who listens and evolves, who designs every post, every video, every word to fuel a growing movement around a clear, emotionally charged idea. This is the formula top brands are obsessing over because it works where everything else fails. Use it. Own it. Watch what you thought was impossible become your new reality. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.